Alright guys, what's up? We're back with another video. So today we're going to be doing the framing. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right into it. We're going to be doing 16 inches on center. So in the program it's real easy to do, but what you want to do is pretty much just copy and you come over 16 inches and then you just want to keep hitting that copy button. Come out, and I figured out that zooming out helps it a lot more. So you zoom out and it snaps to a lot easier. So boom, there's your wall. We'll come to the second wall. Then our third. Trying to get it done pretty quick for you guys. And our fourth. Now, we're making a door frame. So what we're going to need to do is have that door frame be like about 80 inches tall. Same as any regular door frame. So any door frame is usually 80 inches tall, for your information. So what we're going to do is we're going to click down here, go up, and just type 80 inches. Boom. There's our door frame height. So we're just going to copy a stud, then make that unique. And we're going to edit that. Use our push-pull tool to bring it on down to that point. Then we're going to delete that little marker. So this is where I will teach you how to make a header. So now that we have our door frame height, what we're going to do is we're just going to butt up an actual stud that goes all the way to the top of the wall to give it a little bit more support. Double is called a king stud. So now what we're going to do is we need to make the one that goes across. So we're going to make this go 90 degrees and run that straight across. Make unique, edit, and push pull right here. So now we have ourselves a 6-foot door frame. And since we don't care about any header, we don't want to have to put a header in this. We're not worried about support. Usually we'd build headers, but that'd be for another video because usually you do 2x6s on exterior walls. We're doing 2x4s because this isn't any big support. This isn't anything technical. This is just a quick little video, but we'll do headers in another video. But so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and start off with our spacing. We're going to come over a red axis and use 16 inches. And we're going to make this unique. Edit. Then we're going to want to draw the line here. And just cut that off. That's our saw tool. So now we just want to make one more of those on the inside of this to double up the plate, make that double sturdy because we put a hole in the wall. So obviously we're going to want to make the spot where we cut it sturdier. So we're just going to run this 16 inches like we always do, which is 1 foot 4 inches. So there we go. There's the framing for that. And we have ourselves a framed up little shed. So, what we can go ahead and do is if you need to pause the video, if I did it too fast, then we can go ahead and pause the video. And if you miss some steps on what little quick tools I use for the Control-C for copy or Control-V for paste, or you can just hit the little quick control and you can copy a wall or something, but you can do a full highlight and hit Control-C and then Control-V and have a whole nother one. So that's a lot of big things that I do to save me time. But the next one is gonna be putting up our sheeting, and we're just gonna do a little flat roof style. Not quite sure which one yet, but we'll do a quick little flat roof and do that in the next video because that's one of the harder things to do. So we'll do sheeting and then we'll do the roofing after that. So I will catch you in the next one. Peace.